This is what we're dealing with today, guys. It's the new bird dog from Bojangles. It's basically like a chicken hot dog. So it's their regular chicken breading around a round shape. It kind of reminds me of like the little chicken tube looking things that they sell in the convenience stores. I don't know what they're called. They roll with the on the rollers with the sausage and the hot dogs. There's a good look at the chicken. I don't know what you call it. Like, I guess it's like maybe like a chicken strip, similar to a chicken strip. It has Carolina Gold and sweet barbecue sauce, 2 pickles, and I mean it's basically a chicken hot dog. That's the bird dog. Bojangles, Bo's bird dog, $3.45 for one. You can get 2 of them for $5. So I guess that's a good deal. Maybe. Let's check it out. Okay. It definitely has that Bojangles flavor. I mean, the chicken tastes like Bojangles chicken. I don't know why I said that kind of surprisingly. I mean, what else is it going to taste like? It came from Bojangles. I like the pickles. I don't know that that's I don't know that this is $3.45 worth of food. I don't know if that's a good deal, but the 2 for $5, that's a pretty good deal. The Carolina Gold barbecue sauce, if you've ever had Carolina Gold before, it is the kind of a mustard base barbecue sauce. Has that vinegar, mustard, a sweetness, and then they put some sweet barbecue sauce on here with it. Chicken hot dog. All right, so the sign said that it's like in select locations for a limited time, and then in all locations for a limited time. I don't know if the limited time for the select locations has ended and now it's in all locations, which Bojangles is not really in a whole bunch of areas to begin with. So I don't know. Anyway, it's select locations and then supposed to be in all locations. It is good. You would need, like for a lunch, you would need 2 of these and some fries. So I would say go with the 2 for $5. Add an order of fries with it. I don't know. I don't think it comes in any kind of combo or anything like that. So it kind of needs to, because one of these by themselves is just like that's just like snack level. If you just want something to hold you over till dinner, and you know, that this will do that. Scale of 1 to 10, I'd say for me, I'd give it a 7.4. I wouldn't run out to get one, but if you're at Bojangles and you're looking for lunch, I don't know why I keep saying lunch. I guess it could be for any time, but it just seems like a lunch kind of item. It's a hot dog. It's a chicken dog, bird dog. It's called a bird dog. I would say for me, it really comes off like a snack. It really comes off like a snack. If you're going to get it for lunch, I've already said, grab 2 of them, get you some fries, go ahead and get you a drink. And yeah, that's my view of the Bojangles bird dog. Have you tried a bird dog? Have you ever had a chicken hot dog? Leave some comments, let me know. That's my view. And with that, I say good day.